Malu lah cakap depan kamera. Sekejap saya tak tempat dulu. I swear to God, I have been doing this intro for like, I think this is the 7th times. Hi guys, it's Huda here, and as you can see from the title, yes, I made a video for the first time in my whole life. And yeah, this is it. I'm just gonna tell you guys general thing about this video. It is raining currently, so I hope that you could hear my voice. Yeah, it's actually still early. It's like it's not yet 4 p.m. but it is already dark outside. I planned this video to be like a documentary, but then as I did the video, I don't think it is documentary worthy, so I'm just gonna call it as a video. So why I made this video? I was in my final semester when I thought of making a video of my life in UiTM, because I barely vlog much during my uni days. Yes, I studied in UiTM in ACCA, and if you didn't know what is ACCA, you can just Google it. It's just 4 letters, ACCA, and everything is in Google. So I thought of making this video so that when I look back this video in the future, I can bring back the memories, and yeah, that's the purpose. I just want to warn you guys that this video going to be super boring. Well, I am a boring person. I'm living in a boring life, and I didn't do much in university. I didn't participate much in any activities, so it's going to be a very boring one. So if you get bored, you already yawn or something, just stop wherever you are. But this video was a last minute plan. I planned it like a month before my final, and so I barely had class left during that time, and I was focusing on final. I was trying to focus on final, so I didn't really record anything, but I tried my best to include everything in this video. That's why it's gonna be a super boring one. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Bye. So I'm gonna wait the sandwiches to arrive, and then I'm going to buy sandwiches for breakfast. So this is my class, my basic class. There's no one here, no one here.
No, they already suffer final test. How they suffer? Withholding test. Highlight the sentence. It means what? The interest has paid a 595. You need to restrict? No. Only an exclusive income for business purpose. Okay. Go on.
Bye everyone. Bye Maiden. Walau speed. Got photos. Thank you Maiden.
There will be risk of losing knowledge of plans affecting close revenue. Okay? Taking noted.
Going to Peter. Oh, it's been a while. First thing to do. This is my faculty, by the way. Sally. Sana.
Tak makan telur?
Mana?
Kenapa nak ke?
Video of not eating.
Kau nak buat apa?
Tanya.
Kalau ada yang nak pusing dalam sahaja, naik baji ya.
Pasti baju.
G.
Ada.
Kau tulis sendiri. Matu. Ada ke? Mana?
Weh, tak ada monopod tu. Guna apa je? Burger here is so good. Nothing.
Nak kita pengamal apa ke?
Tak. Always. Darina. Waffle again. 너무 좋아요. 끝났습니다. Kota baru pas 10. Thank you. Abang. Never too late for coffee. Window okay latte?
What or ice?
Ice. Size kecil.
Small. Whipped okay?
Whipping okay?
No.
Huda.
Huda.
Thank you. Thank you. Morning now.
사인을 보내, 시그널 보내. I must let you know.
나도 나도요 나도 bread jatuh. Lapar, tak boleh makan sebab bread dah jatuh. Look at all these colorfuls. This is my schedule. Did you see it? I'm supposed to finish study here so that I can do all the process question this week, but then I'm still stuck in this few topics. So, goodbye guys. Oh my god, what a mess. Yeah, this is how it looks like. Oh gosh. Yeah, this is me highlighting all the colors. Tonight I'm studying outside of my room. Yep, this place. So it's 2 minutes almost 1:30 and I'm doing this. Oh, and I have this cinnamon. It's my favorite. Okay, I'm gonna finish this off first and we're going to sleep after that. Bye. It's first day of fasting. Walking to the pusat Islam. Dia nak berbuka dengan Dalila. AF juga. Oh, dah lupit. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi. Tak baca ke? Eh. Lari belakang nampak dia.
Trying to lecture.
Happy ones.
Itu apa nak tolong?
Day 2. Today got Nadia. And Daddy.
Nak cakap kat kamera, tak sabar nak makan Maggi malam ni. Malam ni nak makan Maggi.
Kenapa nak makan?
Apa?
Cannot go anymore. Kena drag. Day 3. Finished away. I kind of Mori. Lol. My supper. Sisters. Starts with study. Can't wait to eat. Not bad lah, but this is all bread. Definitely not gonna buy it again. Hari ni exam dengan Dalila. Isn't this so satisfying? Huh? Roger. So thank you so much guys for watching. It is not that much interesting because I just live like normal like the others, but a more boring one, and I am so thankful for you to watch until the end. And I'm not sure when will the next time I do another video, but if I do, I will just post it on my Twitter or my blog, and I hope to see you in the next one maybe. Bye. 안녕.